Well, hello everybody, it's Rose, and I am back with the, let's see, the fourth opening of a diamond painting from my big PeggyBuy haul. So just as a quick recap, I ordered 44 free diamond paintings that I paid for shipping for. And the shipping worked out to $7.23 per painting. $7.22 per painting. That's Canadian dollars. And I got the first shipment on January 30th. And so I am going through and I'm opening a bunch of them, and I will be rolling the videos out over the next few days. So I'm just picking at random from the package. Okay, so my camera cut out. Thankfully this time I heard it. Okay, I don't know what's wrong with my camera, but anyway. So let's get into this. This is a much bigger one. The one that I just opened was 15 by 15 in terms of the drill area. This one's a lot bigger. I think I'm going to keep this because I can use that as a mailer to send a gift to somebody else. I just need to put some packing tape down to seal it here, and a nice little label, and that can go in the mail, no problem. Okay, so this is pretty. I'll first go through what we get. So this comes with 2 of the standard toolkits. The regular little green boats, no spout. The hard wax that I would not use. There was actually a great video that I watched the other day that got into the differences between good wax and bad wax. And I might look for that, and if I find it, I was looking for it actually the other day, and I didn't find it. But if I find it, I'm going to stick a link to it up here because I can't even remember who shot it. But it was a great video. It was just a short little thing, but I thought it was a fantastic video, and especially for newer diamond painters, I think it'll save you a lot of grief with using wax that is not high quality. So I'll do that. Okay, so this one here, I bought 2 of these because my rule was that I would buy every one, with a very few exceptions, and that was for, you know, American Patriot diamond paintings. I bought 1 American Patriot diamond painting and didn't buy all the others. And because I'm not American, okay? It's not because I'm not a patriotic American. I'm a very patriotic Canadian, and I'm patriotic to Canada. I do love my neighbors to the south, though, so I don't mind having one. So this here is what I call purple birds and flowers, and you will have seen a picture of it in the title card for this. And this one came in 2 sizes. It came in a 30 by 30, and it came in a 40 by 40. And those are canvas sizes, I think. So I'm going to measure this. So this is a 40 centimeter square canvas. Yeah. So the drill area on this, they said it was 34 by 34. Let's see. And I bought the 2 sizes. Yeah, close enough to 34. It's like a couple of millimeters off. I heard a sound and I wasn't sure if it was my camera turning off again. Okay, and this one is also 34 centimeters. So it is correct, 34 by 34. So I ordered this I ordered all of them, the 44 first free ones that this is a part of. I ordered them on January 3rd, They shipped them on January 11th, and these came in on January 30th. So let me just update my tracker. 01/30. Okay. And the rest of this information is great. Okay, so let's take a look at the canvas. This one here is a little bit more crinkled than some of the other ones that I've opened already. So I don't think that's going to be too much of a problem, and I will have it in my handy dandy file system for my canvases. I bought 2 more of these yesterday, just for the PeggyBuy ones. So, well, the PeggyBuy ones and another 7 or 8 that I ordered after the PeggyBuy ones from June and Amazon and AliExpress. Anyway, so I think this is going to be quite pretty. I think it'll turn out quite good in the 34 by 34 size. Here's just a thumbnail of what the painting will look like. And here's the drill field. So as we move out, yeah, the definition starts to be there. This one has the most colors of any of the ones that I have unboxed so far, I think, possibly with the exception of the purple peacock. It's got 24 colors, and I will show you all of those, but it's got a very simple schematic. So, I mean, some of these are really hard to read. Yeah, hopefully a light, let's hold it up to the light. Yeah, having a light pad underneath will make all the difference in the world to these dark ones in here. Dark letters on dark backgrounds, maybe not the best, but I actually think L, N, O, L, let's find some L's, some N's, and some O's. L, N, oh, yeah, they're very clear on the canvas itself. It's just on this, on the legend here, it's not that clear. All right, so I think that's pretty good. Let's just make sure that the canvas is sticky and all that stuff. It is sticky. Now, something I'm noticing here, and I don't know if it'll come through on the video, but the glue looks a little bit yellow, which doesn't matter because it's going to be covered over with drills on the painting, and I don't think that's going to hurt the painting in any way. But I wonder if that means it's older glue. We'll see, and I will do a post review of this. Now the paper was crinkled, or not the paper, the plastic was crinkled when I was pulling it off, so I'm not sure I'm going to be able to get it perfectly uncrinkled. Okay, that's not too bad. Yeah, it's not perfect, but it's not too bad. Pretty. I'm not big into birds and chicks and things like that, although I am liking peacocks and hummingbirds, so maybe I shouldn't say I'm not into them, because I think I'm starting to get into birds and peacocks. This whole diamond painting thing has opened me up to all kinds of new things. Isn't that great? I think it's great. Okay. Okay. So there we go. This will hopefully straighten out with the weight of other paintings on it for a while, but the most crinkled parts of it, well, I don't know. I might have to iron it. I bought an iron. I don't know if I told you that, but I bought an iron specifically for diamond painting because I cannot find the iron that I used to have for my clothing. I'm sure sure it's somewhere in the condo or in my storage locker, but I can't find it. So I broke down and I went to Walmart and I bought one of their, I bought their cheapest iron. I think it was like 15 bucks or something like that. Okay, so let's just go through, and again, I'm showing you all of the drills because I know that some of you choose your paintings based on the colors and the drill colors and so forth. So I just want you to be able to see. So 1, 2, 3, 2 bags of 3s, 4, another 4, 5, that's our 3 10s, 6, oops, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, oh, there's a few stowaways in there, 18, a few stowaways here too, 18, I'll just let it focus, come on, focus, 19, 20, 21, oops, 22, 23, and 24. And what I'm noticing here, L1272, every single one of the bags is labeled L1272. I mean, it's hard to read on some of them, but that would, help in case for some reason the bag ripped open, like it kind of did here. Like I'm just going to tape that up with a little bit of packing tape, but if I hadn't noticed it, it's quite possible that these drills would have gotten, oh my goodness, there are a lot of stowaways. Most of the colors have stowaways. But it's nice to see that they're free-flowing colors. Not oily drills, nothing like that. And I didn't mention earlier, I don't think I mentioned that it was a round painting, but it's round. Okay, oh, and another thing is it doesn't have circles on the canvas, which I know some people don't like, but I do like. I am a don't like circles person. Because I can keep my lines pretty straight, and so I prefer no lines because it makes it easier at the end. You don't have to be pushing diamonds over a smidge to make them cover the black circles. So I like this, but a word to the wise, if you prefer circles, do not buy this painting. All right, so I like this. It's, I think it looks really pretty. I think it'll look pretty when it's all done. It's a very gentle painting. I see it as a very gentle painting. I don't know exactly how to describe why I'm using the word gentle, but it's kind of soft and it's just nice. So, I don't know, that's the sort of thing you'd give to an aunt or a grandmother or something like that. Or maybe a little girl who likes birds. I don't know. So there you go. So that's it. That's all. I want to thank everybody for coming back to visit with me. And we will be doing unboxing number 5 next. And I think my camera battery is still pretty good. So yeah, we'll do that. I can't remember if I showed you the drill field. I can't remember. So I will cut this out if I did show it to you. But if I didn't, there it is. And this is what I was talking about, the, like over here. Oh, I think I did show you. The L, N, and O, 15, 16, 17, they look pretty hard to read, at least with my real eyes, not through the camera. But when you take a look at the O's, hold on, oh, those are actually 4. What the heck? Where did I find my O? I know I found some L's and N's. Where the heck are they? Okay, I think that's an O there in the middle of the screen, under the 5s, and above the J's and beside the J's. And it's hard because I'm looking through the camera so that you can see, so that I can see what you're seeing. Oh, okay. So, just have to find it. Okay, it's over here. There's some N's and there's some L's. So the N and the L are pretty close together, but in color, I mean. But I think with a light pad underneath, they'll show up nicely. Okay, I think that's it. If there's anything I did miss, I will insert it in a scrolling loop here. Oh, I know what I missed, and I missed it on the last one. And that is, did I make money, like did I save money on this one? So I paid $7.22 for the shipping. If I had paid the regular diamond painting price, it would have been $9.90. So I came out ahead on this painting. And that's it. Thank you very much. And I will be back at you with unboxing number 5. Take care. Until then, bye-bye.